Hey, good morning everybody. I am clearly not in Japan right now. Unfortunately, I am supposed to be in Yokohama sleeping in my hotel right now, but it didn't happen. About 12 hours before I was scheduled to depart, the sponsor for Japan decided that with the coronavirus, it's just not safe to travel at this time. Before we get any further, I would like to thank my viewers like Jay White and Pixie Burner for their support and invite all of you to click the subscribe button, press the notification bell, and leave a comment behind to help support this channel. Welcome to Yokohama, Japan. We are not staying though. We are at the train station. With my Suica card in hand, we are jumping on the bullet train. Alright, here we go. First time on bullet train. We are heading 270 miles away to Japan's ancient capital of Kyoto. Cruising along at 180 miles per hour really gets you to where you want to go fast. The countryside of Japan is either flat or mountainous. There does not seem to be an in-between. We are staying at the Maxi Kyoto Nijo to rack up some Marriott reward points. Ooh. Not bad. Got Darth Vader's toilet. We are now on our way to a temple. Alright, just want to share everybody something. Nothing this way, nothing that way, but of course, you're always going to find one of these. So the color has not come out here for the fall, so what I'm going to be focusing on is just trying to get some details. And one thing I have to watch out for is anything with writing on it, because if you're going to upload to the stock photography market, you can't have writing on anything, or at least provide a translation. And of course we got to wear these. Despite being a few weeks early for the peak colors, this place has potential. So if you guys look up here, gives you just a sampling of the potential this place has with that brilliant color. We are about 2 weeks too early right now. So I'll have to make a note to try and come back here next year, but 2 weeks later, so I can take full advantage of this place. But the colors, where they're at right now, are spectacular. It is now early evening. The low angle of the sunlight allows the calm waters of the pond to become almost mirror-like. Something that I'm going to learn very quickly is there will be a lot of steps to take this weekend. Alright, so we're going to slow down just a little bit here because we have this really cool bamboo forest. Oh, let's see if you guys see that there. There we go. This really cool bamboo forest. I'm going to try and photograph. It's getting dark in there. So the thing is I don't want to put my tripod down because this is kind of a temple. So we're going to open up the aperture wide. I'm actually trying out the Canon 2470 RF lens for this trip. So we're going to see how it does with low light photography. So far, I'm liking this lens. I still have a few weeks to evaluate it. I'll let you all know my final thoughts after this adventure. Something that I enjoy about travel is unique experiences such as turning these prayer wheels and purifying yourself before entering the temple. This is where we are going to leave you, with hints of where we're going in the next episode with the sunlight piercing the clouds. Please click the subscribe button and the notification bell so you do not miss out on any of the upcoming fun. Take care, and I'll see you in the next episode.